Class 9. Today we will see our next topic of this lesson, economics chapter 2, people as resources. First we will see now the quality of population. People are resources, we already seen. So quality of population should be good, and the quality of population is dependent on two things. First is education, second is health. If people are educated, they can get more money and they can earn more money, they can get employment easily. And if healthy people will be there, so they can do any physical job also. But if unhealthy and uneducated people can't do anything for the nation. Now first, education, we will see 94% literacy rate in Kerala and 62% literacy rate in Bihar. So more people are literate in Kerala. Then health. Healthy person is an asset for the nation always. Now see, from book also I want to tell you that education scenario in India, there is a provision made for providing universal access, retention and quality of elementary education. So they are providing more elementary education, more schools are set up like Navodaya Vidyalaya. Then government setting more and more schools like Navodaya Vidyalaya. Then midday meal also provided to the students, so that to encourage them to come to the school. Then government steps to provide education to all. So government are taking more steps to provide the education. In that, first is the primary school system that extended to over 7.68 lakh in 2004 and 5 in India. Then government's initiative to Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan aims at providing elementary education for children 6 to 14. Then midday meal, so that for meal also the poor children will come to the school. So all these are the government education policies. Then all these strategies focuses on the increasing access, quality, adoption of state specific curriculum modification. Then distance education also providing by the government. So please write all this note, whatever I am giving you, write down all these notes. Here our one question is already ready, that tell what are the steps provided by the government for the education in India. So these are the steps which you have to write. Then health. Now health is a very important asset, and results are, during 50 years India has built up vast healthcare system. So what are the result of this vast healthcare system? Number one is life expectancy has increased to over 66 years. Then infant mortality rate, first of all, at the olden times the infants are very much, death rate was very much was there for infants, but now infant mortality rate became high. Then crude birth rate, then crude birth rate has dropped to 22.1 from 40.8 earlier. The crude death rate to 7 from 25.1 earlier. So these are the notes which you have to write. Here also our one question is ready. Write down the healthcare policy of government and its results. So national health policy is there, and because of these results we are getting. Now we will see the unemployment. Now unemployment is again a very much problem in India. Because of unemployment also we can't use people as a resources. So there are three types of unemployment. First is seasonal, second is disguised, and third is educated unemployment. In seasonal unemployment, people are getting jobs for few months in a year, and other months they are unemployed. So in a specific season only they are getting the job. So these kind of unemployment is called a seasonal unemployment. Normally in agricultural sector this kind of unemployment is there. When the crop is ready, after that the people became unemployed. Then disguised unemployment means number of working person or more working person are there more than needed. means number of working persons are more than the needed, means they need more number of working person, but more than that people are doing the job. Means for example, I am telling you that in disguised unemployment, in a village sector many people are working in a one field, means the whole family is working in a one field. If 4 brothers are there, all 4 brothers are working in the agricultural field, but that agricultural field need only 2 persons work. So other 2 persons are doing a work in that agricultural field are more. So number of working persons are more than the needed person. So this kind of unemployment is a disguised unemployment, means that agricultural field will give the crop which is sufficient to the 2 persons family, but 4 persons are there in that agricultural field. So this kind of unemployment is a disguised unemployment. Then educated unemployment means education is there but no opportunities for the educated people in a country. So these kind of unemployments are there, these 3 kind of unemployments are there. I am giving you notes also. Like this seasonal employment, it happens when people are not able to find job during some month of the year. Example, people depend on agriculture. Then disguised unemployment, when all the people appear to be unemployed but work requires less number of person, the unemployment is disguised. For example, a small farmer's entire family is working on a hash plot, although all may not be required to do so. Then educated unemployment. Also, I have told you that people are educated but they don't got the opportunity, and so they didn't get the job. Then effects of unemployment we will see. What are the effects of unemployment? Unemployment affect the economy from the following ways. Led to the wastage of manpower, feeling of hopelessness and despair among the youth, then inability of educated people willing to work. Then unemployment tend to increase economic overload, because more people, if people will not work, they are the liability to the nation, not the asset. The dependence of unemployed on the working population increase. The quality of life of individual as well as society is adversely affected. There is a general decline of health status and rising withdrawal from the school system. So all these are the effect of unemployment in the economy. And types of unemployment also I have told you. So please write all these notes, and here our lesson is complete. Write all the notes in a copy, whatever I have given you in this video. Thank you.